How to redeem Razer Gold gift card. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can redeem the Razer Gold gift card so you can get gold points here into goldrazer.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find the website and sign up links of Razer.com in the description of this video. So basically what you must do is, first of all, create or log in into your account. Once you have done that, you have in the upper menu different options. So here, if you want to redeem the gold card, you must click on gold, and the first option here I have recharge, but perhaps you have the option reload now. And then you're going to be able to select the payment method. So as you can see, the first option is Razer Gold Pen, and if you scroll down just a little, you're going to find the bar to enter your voucher code. Once you have typed your voucher here into this bar, you can click in next, and then you're going to redeem your Razer Gold card. And that's how it works. It works the same with the silver redeem coupon, and there you must get your code to verify the captcha and then click on next or redeem. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can redeem Razer Gold gift card. Thanks for watching.